Hi, Nick from LRM. We're the manufacturers of the Versaseal range of waterproofing products. We've got a Winnebago Alpine in today, nice 40-foot unit, so let's show you how to coat it. This Winnebago's had some water leaking problems, so we're going to fix that for them using the Versaseal system to put a full membrane over the roof. Winnebagos have a rubberised roof, so we need to put a full membrane over there to make sure we get the adhesion across the full roof area. The first step in the process is the pressure wash. We want to get rid of all that dust and dirt and grime and make sure we maximise the adhesion. This roof's had some chalking on it, some white powdery residue coming off. We need to get rid of all of that. In this instance, we've used some detergent and a scrubbing brush to really help. We follow that up with a pressure washer to wash all that dirt away. Having got the roof clean and dry, we're going to make sure the sealant is suitable to coat over. This is a little bit cracked on this roof, but it's pretty well adhered still, so we're going to go over it. If you have silicone on your roof, which is peeling and coming off, you need to get rid of that before you start. A scraper is the best thing to do. To make sure we get a nice clean edge through the project, we're going to mask up first. The first application step of the process is to put on our Versaseal membrane around the joins and hatches and to coat those. We're going to add the geofabric into that wet coating. Always good to cut your geofabric before you start playing with the wet product so you're not getting in a mess. Lay the geofabric into the wet coating and smooth it out to make sure there's no cockling or creasing. Once the geofabric's adhered, apply another coat of the Versaseal membrane straight over the top to make sure you've got that well sealed in. You're looking for a wet on wet sandwich with that geofabric reinforcing through the middle. Allow 24 hours for the joint to dry. With this roof, we're going to put a full membrane system over the top, so we're just going to put our membrane straight over the whole roof and over the joins we've already done. If you've got a roof where you're just doing the joins, you'll need to put a second coat over the join area only. Once the first coat of Versaseal has dried, which will take about 24 hours, come back and give it a second coat. You need to do that over the full roof area again. Allow the joints to dry for 24 hours before going on with your process. 25 degrees and a little bit of breeze is fantastic. If your drying conditions aren't optimal, you might need to leave it till the next day. When you're applying the Versaseal membrane, you're looking to get on about 1 kilo a square metre in total. You might put that on in 2 coats or 3 coats, depending on your own application technique. Having got your 2 coats of Versaseal membrane on there and fully encapsulating that roof, it's now time to dress it up and give it the aesthetics you're looking for. The Versaseal white top coat is ideal for this. Again, highly elastomeric, so it's going to stretch and move with the roof. You're going to apply the Versaseal top coat in 2 good coats, looking for about 0.6 to 0.8 of a kilo per square metre total. You're going to put that on in 2 good coats. The top coat needs to be applied about 2 to 3 hours apart as a minimum to make sure it's dried fully. Now that you've finished your roof, remove the masking tape and enjoy your roof for many years to come.